Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the garden today and it's time to plant my tulips. And I've got these tulips. We've got 30 tulip, Triumph purple and white mixed. And they're going to look pretty stunning. So we bought these from Wilco's and these can be planted from September through to December. So we're in November, so we've got a good chance. And these will be flowering April to May. So we're going to do that in this large container. But one thing for tulips is they need good drainage. So got to make sure the drainage hole is empty in this pot. And you could add some crocks scattered on the bottom, or it does make it very heavy. So I'm actually just going to use a flower pot and just cover over the central hole. So this is the bulbs that we've got. And I'm just going to fill the pot with multi-purpose compost. We're just going to fill the pot halfway. So I filled my pot halfway, and it's always best to get fresh tulip bulbs, as once they've grown in containers they might come back half blind, just send out plenty of leaves. So they come with this bit of leaves outer, can be removed, and if we look at the bulb we can see a pointy bit, and there's a shoot, and there's a round bit at the bottom which is the root. So we've got our compost in our pot. Just going to add a bit more, make it a bit higher. There we go. So that's our compost, and then we take our bulbs, and they need to be planted around 4 inches deep, and ideally 4 inches apart. I'm going to do these fairly close, and we're just circling them around the pot, pointy bit on the top, roots on the bottom. There we go. And a couple in the middle. And that should give us a great display. There we go. And all I'm going to do is cover up the top with the rest of the compost. There we go. And that's our tulips planted. So I'm going to put ours next to the house in a sheltered space, as we don't get too much cold weather and not too much rain. But if you have a lot of rain and a lot of snow, then it's best to put it in a greenhouse or in a garage, and give it a water every once a month and bring it out in the springtime. So once the flowers have bloomed and they've died back, the best idea is to take out the bulbs, to plant them in the garden, get fresh bulbs, start all again. Otherwise they might come up a bit blank and a bit disappointing. So these are going to grow to approximately 20 inches tall, and we should start seeing them flower in April and May. So just a quick rundown: a big pot, about 20-25 inches, about 10-15 bulbs, good drainage, compost on the top, not too wet, in a sheltered spot if too wet or too snowy, too cold. So that's great. So I'm going to do some more containers with the rest of the tulips, and we'll hopefully have a good display in the garden in the spring. So let me know in the comments, have you planted any tulips? Have you done them directly in the ground, or have you done them in containers? Let me know. And what varieties have you done? I really wanted to get some bright red ones, as I really love the red tulips, but these are going to look great, and these are a favourite for my mother-in-law, being purples, so that'd be great opportunity to see them grow. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers!